The festival circuit for feature film, they are everywhere. It's such a huge business, and I want to break the bubble and talk the truth about it. Hey guys, so today I want to talk about film festivals, how it can be such a money-grabbing system, and at the same time it can be so great. So I want to talk about the positive and negative. First of all, it is a money grabber. There's like more than 5,000 film festivals. If you go to Film Freeway, you can see mostly all of the festivals that are there. And when I started, there was this kind of a chase of, oh my God, I need to put my film in so many festivals. And it's cool, it's great. But at the same time now, after doing a bunch, who cares? My first one on the horizon got, I think, around 35 to 40 film festivals, and I was so excited. My second one, I stopped sending maybe half of them, and I went maybe to 10 to 15 festivals. And now my third one, April Skies, I don't know, I sent it to maybe 5. Because in the end, there's so much festivals, there's so much market everywhere. And now a lot of people know that you can make a lot of money out of that, because when it's time to submit a film, it's maybe $50, $75 per film, per submission. It goes up quickly. I'm sure you receive so many spam email about send it to Tokyo Online Film Festival with 30% off or something like that. There's so many film festivals that in the end do nothing. So don't waste your money. No one cares if your film went to the Montreal Underground Film Festivals, you went to New York, Brooklyn Film, who cares? It's cool for your ego. It's cool to put maybe on the poster, your film went to this place and that place, but in the end, I think it can hurt your film more when you have 25 or 65 laurels of you win this, but it's all little film festivals that no one cares, no one ever heard about it. I've stopped sending it to film festivals that doesn't have an impact. So it's cool if you're maybe doing short and you want to have the feeling, the buzz, whatever, and you want to expand, I guess. For me, I prefer to just try the most important one that fit the genre of your film, because that's the thing. If you do this kind of experimental, cool film and you send it to Cannes, there's no way it's gonna enter. No way. So you need to be realistic about the film that you have. Do you have a name attached? If not, you're already at the bottom. It's gonna be super hard. After that, do you have connection to enter those big festivals like Cannes, Berlin, Toronto, whatever? Do you? No, then you're at the bottom. Do you have like a huge big production company behind your film that's gonna take the load and send it to all those festivals for you? If yes, then you have a chance to enter. If not, there's no way. Don't waste your money to try to enter to Cannes, Berlin, all that one. They are so limited now, they're gonna give that spot to all the biggest stars in the world, like Brad Pitt, George Clooney, whatever. They save those spots for those. So unless you have those people in your film, don't even try. Save your $100. I'm giving you an example. One of my feature films that got selected in Iceland called All Eyes on Me, I got the support from the government to finish the post-production there. I'm super excited, super grateful, love the film, it sounds amazing. We use that money for post-production, music and all that stuff. And with those people, we have the connection to send to all those big festivals around the world because we have Iceland behind us. So because Iceland is there supporting the film, we go through the wave of all those people. But even through that, I got a lot of no's. I got a lot of people says, no, it's not a right fit, thank you. So even with the government having the support for the film, it's still really, really hard to get into it. My point of this video is that there's so many ways to invest your money in a better place. So make a deal with an influencer, do Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok, invest your money into those. That's gonna create a buzz with your film trailer or a featurette or interview or whatever. Use those ads and reach the people directly. I think it looks bad to have 25 million laurels. I prefer to have one that says Berlin Film Festivals. Then you have one, then you're legit. Real people is gonna talk about it. But if you have 25 or whatever, it says it's an indie film, it's doing the little underground thing, who cares? That's my experience. I don't think it's worth it to send it to all those places. Send it to just the main medium to big one, but the big one knows that there's a good chance you're gonna waste your money because you don't have the main 3 that I explained. So I would say focus on the medium. Don't go to small, You can try if you want the big one, but you're gonna be disappointed. But the medium, maybe there's some kind of a chance if you do something cool with the film, but make sure it represents the festival with the film that you have. So I just want to debunk all of this to make sure that you don't waste your money, that you're smart about it, and mostly is that you know the reality of film festivals. Otherwise, contact all the film reviews, the big one, main one, pay for that. That's way more important. If you can have a good review from a deadline or whatever, that's way more important, than so many little film festivals. So just think differently. There's so many ways other than film festivals. So unless you go with the big one or the medium one, keep your money, think differently. Don't give up. I'm here for you. Hit that like button, subscribe. I'm gonna do so much more videos about stuff like that, and feature film, it's always about feature films. See you in the next one.